Our maintenance strategy is centered on the predictive and the preventative maintenance to maximize uptime and OEE. We are utilizing the real-time monitoring and the data analytics to anticipate potential equipment failure before they occur, and also scheduling the maintenance during the planned downtimes and to avoid unplanned stoppage. Additionally, our process is designed to be compatible with proven and standardized equipment, which simplifies troubleshooting and ensures we can quickly show spare parts, minimizing delays. This proactive approach ensures our assembly lines are a reliable engines for production, not a source of bottlenecks. To maintain low scrap rates, our focus will be on the precision and the consistency throughout the assembly process. The inherent stability and the low swelling of our LFP chemistry simplify the assembly process and make it less prone to defects. We will also utilize automatic inspection system at the critical checkpoints and identify and isolate any confirming cell early, prevent them from progressing further down the line. The team's expertise, just from the worldwide battery manufacturers, ensure we have the deep practical knowledge to troubleshoot and optimize the process for maximum yield.